Yo, what is up guys? So in this video I'm going to teach you guys how to start trading forex as a beginner. This is just an introduction. So the first two major things that you're going to need is your MetaTrader 4 and your broker. Now for you to get a MetaTrader 4, just head over to your App Store or Play Store and search for MetaTrader 4. You can either use MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5. They both do the same thing, just that there's just a slight difference between them. So make sure you install your MetaTrader 4, and when you open it, it will look something like this. Don't get scared. This is where you actually do the trading, and this is where you actually place your order and do your sell or buy. So the next thing that you're going to need is your broker. Now there are several types of brokers. We have XM, XNS, FBS, and a whole lot of them. So the one that we are going to use in this video is XM. You can also use other type of brokers out there. So for you to get the XM, you just head over to Google, then you search for XM, then you create an account, then you verify it. So after verifying your XM account, you can either start by trading with the real account or the demo account. But as a beginner, I'll suggest that you go with the demo account. So this is how you actually create your demo account. When you open your XM, it will look something like this. So you head over down here, then you head over to demo, then you go to create your first demo account. So this is what will pop up next. So you can either go with the MetaTrader 5 or the MetaTrader 4, but in this particular video we'll be going with the MetaTrader 4. So account type, select standard, leverage, select 1:1000, base currency USD, then amount. You can either go with 100,000, whatever amount that you want. This is just a demo account, so it's not real money, but in this particular case I'll be going with a $1,000 amount. So we have leverage, then other terms involved in forex. I'll do a different video and I'll explain all those things so that you understand better. So in this particular video, just follow along and you understand the terms in the upcoming video. So after that, just click on continue. So here you just create a password for your demo account. So after entering your password, you click on complete. And here they say your demo account is ready. So this is your login detail, the platform type, and your server. I'll explain it later. So just click on go to members area. So after creating your demo account, you have something like this. So you head over here and click on this icon. Then you come to account information. So here you can see all the details about your demo account over here. So here's how you actually start trading on the MetaTrader 4 application, or how you actually start trading on the market. So make sure you open your MetaTrader 4 application, then click on the plus icon at the top here, then click on log into an existing account. Then here you have find broker. So you head back to your demo account, then you copy the name over here, which is the server, which is XM Global Demo 2. So you come here and type XM Global Demo 2. Then here we have your login. So you head back to your demo account details, then you have the MTID, that is your login. You copy that one too, then you come and enter it over here. So your login is 791502999. So that is your login. Make sure that your login corresponds with the one on the MetaTrader 4 application. Then here you enter your password. After logging your password and all the other details, you just click on sign in. After clicking on sign in, something like this will appear. So you can see here that we have 1,000 USD over here. When you come over to your broker too on your demo account, you also have 1,000 USD over here. So that is how it is. So the basic explanation is that your broker is where you actually deposit your money and do your withdrawals, whilst your trading platform, or in this case the MetaTrader 4, is where you actually execute your trade. So you log into your demo account over here. So when you open it, it will look something like this. Don't get scared. These are the currency pairs. So I'll do a different video and I'll explain all what it means in my second video. So stay tuned and make sure you subscribe. So in this particular video, you're able to create your demo account, and in the next video I'll teach you how to actually start trading.